Okay, baby's napping, kids are busy. Let's get into this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Linda, and today I'm going to show you how I do a full face in 10 minutes with only 10 products. Let's just get right into it. I'm going to start off with this No Poreblem Primer, just to cover my pores, so that my makeup or my foundation goes on smoother. This video is going to be probably a little bit longer than 10 minutes just because I am going to be talking. Next, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Photofocus Foundation. I love this stuff. I have the color Golden Beige. I'm just gonna put it on the back of my finger, on the back of my hand. So I live in Ohio, and now the weather is cold. So yeah, I have a cold. Hence why I sound the way I do. You might hear me sniffling. I'm sorry. Now this is the look that I go for if I'm like late for something that I kind of need a full face on for. I mean, you never really need makeup, but you know. Okay, then I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I'm going to go in with my favorite, the E.l.f Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige. I'm so out of breath still. I ran up the stairs because I was putting the baby down for a nap. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that under my eyes, down my nose a little bit, and the sides of my mouth, here and up here, and down the nose. And blend that out so that it can brighten my under eyes and also cover all of my dark, or all of them, cover my dark circles and highlight, I cannot talk today, highlight all of these other areas. Then I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. I'm gonna use this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I'm gonna use a fluffy brush. I'm gonna start at the tops of my ears and blend it downwards along my line here. I'm gonna go to the other side. If you hear noise in the background, that is, I cannot talk. If you hear noise in the background, that would be my children. And I'm gonna take it up the top here. I'm kind of being rough, only because like this is what I would do if I was in a rush and only had 10 minutes to do my makeup. I'm gonna go here and then I call this the temple. I think it's the temple, right? I know this is your temple, but is this part of it too? I don't know, but it's gonna be today. So I put it in my temples and down the side of my temples. This is probably gonna be such a horrible video, but whatever. Then I'm gonna go into my nose and just do the sides and the bottoms here. Just to give myself some more color, and then also along the jawline and the chin and a little bit down the neck. Okay, then we are going to go in with blush. I'm going to use the Morphe Pop of Coral Shadow or Blush Trio palette. Another fluffy brush. I'm actually going to go into 2 shades. I'm going to mix this Boss and Unapologetic together like this. And then I'm just going to tap along the apples of my cheeks and up to my temples. Like that. Again. It sounds like they're fighting. And just blend that in. Now I'm going to show you how sometimes I put too much on one part. That looks so bad on camera, but it doesn't look that bad in real life. How I can fix too much of anything really. I'm going to use my same beauty blender, and I'm just going to go over like where there's product from when I used it for my foundation. I'm just going to go over all of that and kind of blend it in, take it away. I'm actually gonna do my eyebrows next, actually. So I don't always do this step, but we're doing a full face today. That's the look we're going for. I'm using this Loreal Brow Stylist in the color Dark Brunette. I do not want the I drew my eyebrows in look. So I'm just lightly, put your fingers at the very bottom and just lightly gonna fill in some areas. That. This is very, for me, it's very comparable to a more expensive one, Anastasia Brow Wiz, or I don't even know, they have so many different lines. This is the cheaper kind, but it doesn't perform like it. So I'm going to use this Morphe blush palette again, and I'm going to go into the same colors, Boss and Apologetic. Tap it, and then I'm going to start with the outer corner here, go into my crease and also above my eye bone, and then bring it in. And I love doing this because then it like defines my eyes a little more, and I hardly had to do anything. I literally just put the one combo on my eye. Again, hold your hands at the bottom so that you're more light-handed and not, you know, not heavy-handed, and not putting the product too much in one spot. And it's like blending better that way. So after we are done with that, I still feel like there's more in that eye. Yeah, definitely looks like it. Sorry. Okay, a little bit more. I'm totally blocking you. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to show you something that I love doing because it really doesn't take a lot of effort, but it looks really good. So I'm going to take this Maybelline brow or Master Precise Skinny Gel Pencil, and this one is in the color Sharp Brown, but you can use any color. I'm gonna go in, instead of using a liquid liner to do a wing, I am just going to go in with this pencil. Scoot in for you and take it above a little bit too. It does not have to look good because I'll show you why. Again. Oh my god, I keep blocking you, I'm so sorry. Okay. Now I'm gonna take a little, I use this for the liner a lot, as you can see, it has it on there. But I'm gonna take this little round, really small brush, and I'm gonna smudge it. So that way you get this smoky liner look. I'm gonna go in with my eyelash curler and curl these bad boys because they're not curly, they're not long, they're all the bad things. You know what, I really want to try, have you guys seen those at home lash lift, or what is it, oh god, I can't even think of names. The lash perm kit, I think that's what it was called. Have you guys seen that? Because I really want one. And if you tried it, let me know how it went. I had 0 lashes. If there's one thing I wish I had, it was lashes. Forget the brows. I'll keep them this skinny. I'm the one that messed them up anyways. But I want the long curly lashes that all the men have. I don't understand. I'm gonna go in with this Too Faced mascara. Best mascara ever. I have yet to find a drugstore one that does the same thing. I had to clear some space on my camera. Oh my god, why does it keep saying it's about to die? This is crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my mascara. I'm just blinking into the bristles to coat them more evenly. Something else that I like to do that I think is a little trick. They do have tools for this, or I don't know. I'm sure they do. But I go back in with my eyelash curler and I just hold my lashes up so that they can dry up. And then that way they, curl a little more because I have sucky eyelashes. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with some highlighter. You can use any highlighter. I love this one, but I can't tell you what brand it is, so I won't even talk anymore on it. I just love it, and I'm mad that I forgot what it was. And I'm just gonna go into the tops of my cheekbones. Down the center of my nose, or the bridge of my nose, and in the tip. Go on my Cupid's bow. What I really love doing is taking a really like skinny brush and putting this on my eyebrow bone. It looks so good. And then also in the corners of my eye. Let me go there again a little bit. Okay. Then we are pretty much done. We're just gonna go in with my favorite liquid lipstick. Gosh, come on. Okay, this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick, the bomb. Okay, well, my camera died, so all I did was finish my lipstick, and then that's it. This is the finished look. This is how I do my full face in 10 minutes with only 10 products. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time.